Hello friends, welcome to Fastbit Money series on penny stocks. Today we are going to provide insights on the Bansal Engineering Polymers Limited friends. I am going to refer Bansal Engineering Polymers Limited as BEPL throughout the video friends. So do not get confused with the BEPL and Bansal Engineering Polymers Limited. Both are the same. Now let us look at the valuation of the company friends. The market capital of the company is around 1068 crore, whereas the book value is around 21.5 rupees approximately. One of the significant factors of BPL is that it is a debt-free company friends. Coming to the profitability ratios, ROCE and ROE is about 20% friends, and which is really impressive, and anything above 10% is really good, and price to the book value is 3.57, which is also okay. Now let us look at the shareholding pattern of the company friends. If you observe, 56.5% of the stake is with promoters friends, and the remaining 42.4% of the stake is with public, and the rest is distributed across FII and other institutions friends. So this explains that the shareholding pattern of BPL is really good. Now let us look at the background of Bansal Engineering Polymers Limited friends. The company engages in manufacture and sales of ABS and SAN resins friends. The company was founded on 1984 and is headquartered in Mumbai. It is one among the top two leading petrochemical company in India involved in the manufacture of ABS and SAN resins friends. ABS acts as a raw material for leading companies dealing in automobiles, home appliances, telecommunications, luggage, bus body and various other multifaceted applications friends. Now let us look at the customers of BEPL friends. They are spread across 4 different sectors. One is electrical, the other one is the textile, third one is automotive, and the fourth one is the appliances. Coming to the electrical segment, Anchor Electricals Private Limited, CS Electric Limited, Havels India Limited, Larsen & Toubro Limited, and Legrand India Private Limited are its customers friends. Coming to the textile segment, Lakshmi Machine Works Limited and Moksha Thermoplastics Limited are its customers friends. And coming to the automotive domain, it has very popular and well-known companies like Bajaj Auto Limited, Hero Motor Corp, Mahindra Two Wheelers Limited, TVS Motor Company Limited. So these are the customers in its automotive segment friends. And you can also see various popular companies such as Godrej, LG Electronics India Private Limited, Samsung, Videocon and Whirlpool as its customers friends. If you ask me about my analysis on the current situation of the company friends, I would like to let you know about the situation of the company in 2018 before taking you through the current situation. The revenue of the company is multiplied 20 times during the fiscal year 2018 friends. And also the stock price rose to all-time high of 2013, and in the same year it has come down to 70 rupees per share. And during those days, many people are unaware what has happened to the BPL suddenly. So the company which has given 20 times revenue growth has suddenly fallen down to even 20 rupees at some point of time friends. So what exactly has happened is there is a fire breakout in the Satnur plant in Madhya Pradesh in 2018, so which led to the loss of about 6,000 metric tons of ABS production. As a result of this loss, the company has to import 908 metric tons of high rubber graft resin to maintain strategic market share friends. And this has led to the loss of 14 crore as a cost, and also adding 8.37 crore as a loss due to foreign exchange. Furthermore, the styrene cost also dipped in 2019, which further led to the depletion of 2019 profits by 41 crore friends. Despite the crisis, the company has improved in its net worth by 16% friends. And if you can observe, the net book value of the share was also increased by 15.80%. And now it is completely debt-free company friends. The current ratio is also improved to 1.86 compared to that of 2.06 previous year friends. On an overall, the net profit margin was 3.80% friends. If you ask me about the future or outlook of the company friends, first of all we need to understand that the company has sustained the crisis and also managed to make profit even in such hard times. Moreover, the company is planned to strengthen its foothold and position itself as a major player across the globe. However, the resin cost may or may not fluctuate during this period. They have joint ventured with Nippon A&L of Japan in order to develop and produce a special quality grade resin grafts friends. The demand for ABS resin in the domestic and international markets is rapidly increasing, friends, and there is no match between its supply and demand at the current times. However, the company is also planning for a new port-based plant by March 2022, which is also expected to bring in more revenue to the company. They are also expecting the recovery of automobile sector during 2020-2022 years. So, how BEPL is going to get benefited if automotive sector is going to recover, friends? The answer is simple, friends. The customers like Hero MotoCorp and TVS Motors are its customers, friends. So, if the automobile sector gets recovered soon, BEPL is the first company to benefit, friends. One more important fact is that there are no indigenous producers of these monomers in our country, friends. And so all the orders pertaining to this particular segment has to come to BEPL gradually sooner or later, friends. The current market price of BEPL share is around 65 rupees, friends, and we are expecting that it would go around 80 rupees as per the situation on 23rd August 2020, friends. If you like our video, please do subscribe our channel and keep checking this space for the updates on the other upcoming penny stocks, friends. Also, please let us know if you get benefited from any of our insights. That would be an encouragement for us to provide further more updates.